Bitcoin spot ETF got approved. I'm not sure this is good news or bad news for you. This is definitely a good news for you if you have bought a lot of Bitcoin. It's a bad news if you have not bought any Bitcoin, or if you have bought some Bitcoin but you didn't buy enough because you don't have enough money. But like it or not, the Bitcoin ETF got approved. So this is going to transform the entire crypto industry, and also it has huge impact on the world. Yeah, even though before that there was a lot of drama, like the whole thing keeps dragging on and on for many years. And just before they officially approved the Bitcoin ETF, there was a little drama with the SEC Twitter. SEC X account had a fake announcement that they approved the Bitcoin ETF, but then X clarified that, their account got hacked and so on. Yeah, so it was a joke. And then yesterday, many YouTubers criticized SEC. They just, criticize US. It's horrible, blah, blah, blah. It's really quite funny. Like, a great country like the US can have such kind of errors or blunders or, hacks. And then the funny thing is that SEC, I'm not sure it's SEC or the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, he asked people to use the two-factor authentication, the 2FA, for improved security. But then, many sources confirmed that the recent SEC Twitter hack was actually due to the fact that they don't have this 2FA security. So it's really funny. They ask you to use this 2FA as part of their security, but they themselves don't have this security. So I think it's really stupid. But anyway, the spot Bitcoin ETF has already been approved, and right now Bitcoin is now way above 48k, so it's really crazy. The short-term price action is so far still modest because the market has already priced in the spot Bitcoin ETF approval like almost to quite a large extent, I would say. But no matter what, 100% confirmed is still very different from 99.999% confirmed. So this extra 0.0001 confirmation is still making some positive impact on Bitcoin price action. So in the short term, Bitcoin price might still rise, even though Bitcoin might not rise a lot, because right now some people may say buy the rumor, sell the news. So it's also possible. I mean, we can't predict, but no matter what, this spot Bitcoin ETF approval is going to have huge long-term impact on Bitcoin price action. And also particularly for this bull market cycle, that means I expect Bitcoin can definitely hit above 100k in 2025, or even above 200k in 2025, because this crazy bullish news is just too hard to ignore. Because just imagine, all the spot Bitcoin ETF, they have been approved. So trillions of dollars, new money, fresh funds will flow into this asset class, because a lot of people can't buy Bitcoin due to it not being formalized enough. They just don't feel comfortable putting their money in those crypto brokerages. They don't want to learn how to use the wallet, so they just want to buy it through the traditional stock market means. That's for some of the retail investors. Actually, another more important factor is that a lot of institutions, they want to enter Bitcoin, but they can't enter Bitcoin directly due to legislation restrictions. And right now, they can easily and legally buy Bitcoin, invest in Bitcoin through buying the spot Bitcoin ETF. Right now, it's totally rigid. So the amount of money that will come into Bitcoin is going to be like exponential. I can't imagine how profound the impact is. So, I mean, right now, Bitcoin is still quite a distance away from the all-time high. So I think if you still have not started DCAing in Bitcoin, then I really urge you to reconsider. If you have not bought any Bitcoin in your lifetime and you manage to watch my video or someone else's video on Bitcoin, you should really do some research, open your mind to this new asset class that is going to transform your life financially. Anyway, I will stop here for today. Thanks for listening.